नमस्ते. मी श्रीमती विद्यारामभाऊ भडके. मी गणित विषय शिकवते आहे श्री शिवाजी हायस्कूल बोदेगाव. तर आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 7 स्टँडर्ड इंटिजर्स हा टॉपिक घेणार आहोत. वी हॅव स्टडी द होल नंबर, पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स, निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स. Then positive numbers 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. Then this number line we have studied in 6th standard. Then this 0, then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all positive number, and this sides -1, -2, -3, -4. These positive numbers, positive number, negative numbers and 0 या सर्वांना मिळून आपण काय म्हणतो इंटिजर्स. Then we have studied this example. 0 is less than this positive number and 0 is greater than this negative number. Then first example 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then 4 number is greater than 2. 2 is less than 4. This first example. Next, -2 and 0. Which numbers are less than 0? Then -2 is less than 0. Here 0 ची value. This 0 is greater than this -1, -2, -3, all negative numbers. Sign is perfect. Then -3 and -6. Right? जसं जसं आपण उजवीकडे जाणार तसं त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय होत जाणार, कमी कमी होत जाणार. Then -3 number is greater than -6. Next example 3 and 6. इकडे उलट होतं. 3 is less than 6. 3 is less than 5 and 3 is less than also 4. Then 3 is less than 6. पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह नंबर मध्ये हा फरक आहे. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट आपण एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 7. राईट द प्रॉपर साइन दिस साइन्स 1, 2 आणि 3. ज्यावेळेस इक्वल असतील संख्या, आता 2 आणि 2 हे इक्वल साइन वापरायचं आणि ज्यावेळेस ग्रेटर दॅन संख्या मोठी असेल त्यावेळेस दोन्ही टोकं हे त्याकडे आले पाहिजेत आणि ज्यावेळेस संख्या लहान असेल त्यावेळेस एक टोक याच्याकडे येईल. Then this proper sign greater than, less than and equal. Then write the proper sign in the boxes. -4 first example, -4 and 5. Which number are greater? Which number are greater? -4 less than 5 and 5 is greater than -4. Sign कशी येणार? Right? Do you understand this example? Next, 7 and 4. Then this 7 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4. 7 number big number है and 4 number is lowest number. Then this -2 and -8. Then which number is greater? Then -2 is greater -8. जसं जसं आपण इकडे जातो तसे तसे त्याची व्हॅल्यू कशी होत जाते, कमी कमी होत जाते. Then -2 is greater than -8. Then next example. We have studied 3 examples. Then fourth example 8 and -10. Then which number is bigger and which number is lowest? Then 8 is a bigger and -10 is a less number. Then negative number are also less and positive number are also greater. Then 8 is greater than 8 is greater than minus 10. Okay, then next 3 and 0. Then 0 is less than 3. 3 number is greater and 0 is less than. Then next example, 0 is less than 3. ही दोन्ही टोकं ज्या संख्येकडे येतील तो नंबर मोठा आणि एक टोक ज्या संख्येकडे येईल तो नंबर छोटा. then 3 is greater than 0 किंवा दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने असंही म्हणता येईल 0 is less than 3. okay, we have studied the 5 example. then next 6 minus 12 and 5. Tell me which number is greater than 5 is greater than minus 12. Minus 12 is a less number and 5 is a greatest number. Then minus 12 is less than 5. And next 5 is greater than minus 12. Next minus 14 and minus 14. These two numbers are same. Two numbers are same, then this sign is used. Minus 14 is equal minus 14. Then next example, minus 7 and 7. Which number is less? Minus 7. Which number is less? Minus 7. And plus 7 is greatest number, right? Then minus 7 is less than 7. And also we have minus 7 is less than 7. 7 is the greatest number and minus 7 is the lowest number. Then minus 7 is less than 7 and 7 is greater than minus 7. Then minus 1 and minus 2. This minus 1 and this minus 2. Then minus 1 is the lowest number and minus 2 is the highest number, right? Minus 1 is greater than minus 2, right? जसं जसं आपण इकडे जाऊ तसं किंमत वाढत जाणार आणि जसं जसं इकडल्या बाजूने जाऊ तसं त्याची पण किंमत वाढत जाणार. Then next example, minus 6 आणि 0. minus 6 is the lowest number and 0 is the biggest number. Then minus 6 is greater than 0. Do you understand these examples? We have studied this practice set 7. Write the proper sign in the boxes. आपण आणखी एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. minus 3 plus 7. minus 3, then this minus 3 and a plus 7, then this 6 and 7. Positive this minus 3 and this 7. Then we get negative number are less than and positive number are biggest number. 7 is the biggest minus 3. Then proper sign, this proper sign, right? Then next example, 11 31. Okay, 11 is the lowest number and 31 is the biggest number. Positive signs असल्यामुळे. Then third example, minus 11 minus 31. Do you understand this example? Minus 11 is the and minus 31 is the lowest number. इथं साइन चेंज होती बघा. इथं पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर असल्यामुळं 31 is the biggest 11 आणि इथं निगेटिव्ह नंबर असल्यामुळं minus 31 is the lowest minus 11. Then sign, proper sign. Minus 11 is the biggest and minus 31 is the lowest number. Then fourth, 0 minus 6. 0 is the lowest number. 0 is the lowest number and minus 0 is the highest number and minus 6 is the lowest number. Okay, this minus 6 is less than 0. आपण दुसऱ्या भाषेत असं म्हणू शकतो 0 is greater than minus 6. Then fifth example, minus 17 and 11. Do you understand this example? Minus 17. 17 हा 11 पेक्षा हायेस्ट नंबर आहे. पण मायनस साइन असल्यामुळे minus 17 is a lowest number for 11. Then biggest number is 11 and smallest number is 17. Then sign is proper. 11 is greater than minus 17 and minus 17 is less than 11. Do you understand this example? Then next 6. 2 minus 17. 2 is the biggest number and minus 17 is the smallest number. Then 2 is greater than minus 17. Then minus 17 is less than 2. एक उदाहरण दोन प्रकारे आपल्याला सांगता येते. नेक्स्ट नंबर 0 and minus 5. 0 is positive number and minus 5 is a negative number. Then 0 is greater than minus 5. Okay. Then next example, minus 17 minus 70. These two numbers are 10. Then sign is proper, equal. Minus 17 and minus 70, the proper sign equal. Then next 11. These two numbers are equal. We have studied minus 17 is equal minus 70. This 11 and 11, well, these two numbers are same. Then sign is equal. Then next example 10. Minus 101. Do you understand this example? Minus 101 negative sign असल्यामुळे minus 101 is a biggest, minus 101 is the smallest number and 1 is the biggest number. Then minus 101 is less than 1. Do you understand? This 10 plus 10, 20 example are solved. Homework देते. नेक्स्ट 20 एक्झाम्पलचा स्टडी आपण केला आहे. आणखी 5 उदाहरण आपण घेऊया. 1 2 3 4 this 5. Then 7 minus 70. Next example 11 minus 250. 101, then minus 2, 304, 203, minus 203. We have studied these 5 examples. Tell me 7 is the biggest number and minus 70 is the lowest number. Right? Which sign are proper? These signs are proper. Plus 7 and minus 70 is the lowest number. Then next 11 and minus 250. Which number is lowest number? Sanga pata. Yes, minus 250 is the lowest number and 11 is the biggest number. Then proper sign plus 7 is greater than minus 250 and minus 250 is less than 11. Next, we see this example 101 and minus 2. 101 and minus 2. 101 is the biggest number, right? And minus 2 is the smallest number, right? 101 is greater than minus 2. We also तुम्ही असंही म्हणू शकता minus 2 is less than 101, right? The next example 203 minus 203 plus 203 is the biggest number and minus 203 is the smallest number. Then 203 is the biggest minus 203. Okay. Then fifth example. Okay, 203 less than minus 203. तुम्ही कमेंट्स बॉक्स यूज करू शकता उत्तर टाकण्यासाठी आन्सर प्रॉपरली टाकायचे. Then next 503 आणि 503. These two numbers are same. Then proper sign is this sign is proper sign. Do you understand? Comparing integers. आपण दोन नंबर्स मध्ये कंपॅरिझन म्हणजे काय, लहान मोठेपणा याचा स्टडी केला आहे. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला होमवर्क साठी उदाहरण देते. फर्स्ट 5 minus 6. Then next example 7 plus 7. Then third example 502 minus 21. Fourth example 34 minus 34. Minus 34. Then fifth example minus 21 plus 21. Sixth example 101 then 51. Seventh example and eighth example minus 34 plus 2. minus 31, 36. To solve this 8 example आणि कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये टाका